What's up, collectors? We got another rally car. This one is made by CM's Models. This is a Peugeot 306 Maxi from 1996. I don't know if this Leon Chabanere is driver or the event. Sorry, I don't know too much. I just learned through collecting diecasts. Anyways, the 306 is a small class vehicle and sold between 1993 to 2002. It replaced a 309, which makes no sense. But the things had 1.1 to 2 liter inline 4-cylinder engines. None of them were turbocharged, to my understanding, though. So just like your small little compact economy cars. Sorry, my camera. There we go. All right. I couldn't find a great deal amount of research on the race car, but I believe this was actually a front-wheel drive car, not all-wheel drive in racing competition. But I do believe that it made 280 horsepower. That comes from some sort of website that does specs on rally cars. So this car wasn't very successful, being just front-wheel drive. It was competing against like Subaru and Mitsubishi, who were running all-wheel drive chassis. So this didn't really do very well, to my understanding. And in this year, Subaru was the manufacturer's champion. So, okay, well, that's all I learned about this thing. It's just interesting to see these things. I've never seen this car in person. I don't even know if I knew about this car before I got this model. Okay, well, anyways, let's take a look at what CM's did. So the wheels, they look pretty accurate to some of the real pictures I've seen. These are 6 spokes, and the photos I showed are 5 spokes, but there are photographs of this car with 6-spoke wheels. The rally cars, they have street wheels, they have gravel wheels, they have winter snow wheels, so, they run all sorts of different wheels throughout the season. But it does have the 4 lug nuts that I do see on the photographs behind here. And then these are pretty tall tires, so I kind of think these are probably gravel, maybe gravel or dirt tires, not street tires. Okay, all the tampo printing looks pretty good. And it's interesting. I kind of feel like this might be a fuel filler door. I'm not really sure what it is. But also over here, this is probably like the stock fuel filler door. And then maybe they put in a new door for racing? I don't know. Please leave a comment if you know what the deal is with those. Okay. There's a little blobby casted in red mirror. Seems alright. The roll cage, it's mediocre. I've seen worse from this brand, but I've seen better from this brand as well. At least in this case, the roll cage is higher than the seat rests. Ideally it'd be way up here, but the plastic is underneath the roof, so that gets in the way a lot of times. Alright, let's see, let's go around to the front. There's some black paint in this little vent. A whole bunch of vents here with black paint. And then this license plate would be accurate to the real car. This number 5 car, okay. And then we got some clear headlights. A little black paint there. The Peugeot badge looks alright. This all looks alright. Wiper blade dots there. And then some sort of hood pins. And I can feel like I think they're depressed actually. Panisi. Wow, I guess these must be siblings or family, right? The driver and the navigator? Alright. Some really thin but raised painted black wiper blades. Tampo print on the windshield looks pretty good. This antenna was glued to the bottom and then I clipped it off and the sprue, and then it's just a friction fit into a hole there. Okay, this side, well, again, it's got this round thing here, so the stock vehicle wouldn't have 2 round openings, right? That is a mystery. Anyways, I'm now noticing the door handle is like almost gone. Where is it? It should be right here on the real car. It's barely noticeable there. It's a little bit better here. So I guess it's just a matter of the white paint, You gotta put a lot of white paint on a diecast to hide the darkness of the metal. So that's what they did. And then they painted this blue on top of it, so it tends to vanish. Okay, so yeah, otherwise this side looks pretty good too. This wing is kind of funny, but it actually looks like the photograph. It's pretty high. It's not this high on the real one. Like, this should be touching the roof, it seems. But it is really short on the real car. So it's kind of a goofy looking wing, but it's similar to the real car photograph. Tail lights are plastic. They look alright. Again, nice to see a real license plate number. I don't know what this is. It's probably the backup light. I think it's silver too. No, it's actually just white. Okay. And then tiny exhaust tip. Okay. Little key depression. And I imagine these silver graphics must represent like straps to hold the thing down, this boot. Nice big window, look at that. So you can see it's a totally gutted interior, and then there's a spare wheel in there. So that's pretty cool. There's also, look at that, red seatbelt harnesses, so that's nice. It seems like the majority of CMs do have red seatbelt harnesses, although I think I have a few models where there is no seatbelt details. And they don't really ever seem to have instrument colors, like no speedometer or tachometer, but yeah, sorry, it can't focus on that. That's a really reflective window. Yeah, it's just all dark in there. Okay, well, still, it's a pretty cool model, and in this case, I don't think I see any paint rash or casting problems or gouges. What's this? Maybe. Anyways, I have a lot of these CMs now, and a lot of them have paint rash because they're old. But this one's good. It's possibly because there is so much paint, laid on. It's usually on the roof, but this is a flawless finish. So I really lucked out on this one. Yeah, this is a rarity, actually. Most of them do have paint rash, so I'm very happy I got this guy. Alright, let me get this electric spinner here. And just pull out a couple other CMs, Peugeots that I have. So this is the 206 from the year 2000, so it's possible this is the successor that Peugeot fielded later on. Okay, and then this is a 206 from the year 2003. I'm going to just put that there, so this is similar. But then the successor to the 206 I have to suspect is the 307, because this one is dated from 2005. So let's give you a top view. Alright. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Alright, so another great CM's model to enter the collection, and again, I'm very lucky that the paint on this is pretty much flawless. I believe the wheels are also painted white, but they look pretty flawless as well. I have a couple others where the wheels are yellowed because the paint, aged. So, very happy. If you guys like rally cars, you should probably hop on eBay and look into this brand, because they're out of production, so they're going to get rarer and rarer. Alright guys, well, I'll see you hopefully in the next time around. Bye.